Shenzhen Tianlong Century Technology Development Co., Ltd., established in 2011, is a leading high-tech enterprise specializing in research and development, manufacturing, sales, and comprehensive after-sales services. Focus on the research and development of 3-proof mobile phones, PDA scanning handheld terminals, broadband and narrowband integrated walkie-talkies, body-worn camera, and other intelligent communication terminal manufacturers. Obtained more than 110 national patents in product inventions, utility models and designs, and 17 computer software copyrights. The triple-proof protection level reaches IP68, IP69K level, meters waterproof and meters drop-proof, high and low temperature cycle test from -40 degrees Celsius to high temperature 70 degrees Celsius and can adapt to applications in extremely harsh environments and special scenarios.